Fix file//tmp/error.html error in Google Chrome. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Clear browsing cache. If that didn't work, disable all the extensions by toggling the switch next to each extension. Open the control panel on your computer. Click on Programs or Programs and Features, depending on your operating system. Locate Google Chrome in the list of installed programs. Right-click on Google Chrome and select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. Download the latest version of Google Chrome from the official website. Install Chrome by following the prompts provided during the installation process.